Dewy skin has been all over the runways, red carpets, and everywhere. And of course, why wouldn't it be? We all love that out of the shower fresh glow, right? And if you have dry skin, it's like a heck of a goal. I completely agree and I'm with you. Hi, my name is Simran Shah and I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and today I'm going to share a few of my favorite tips and tricks with you on how to achieve that dewy glass skin look. If you're new to the Be Beautiful platform, please hit the subscribe button. Now, very important tip. When you're trying to do a glass skin or a dewy skin effect look, you need to remember to stick to creamy or liquid products. And if you're a dry skin person, remember that's a thumb rule. First, all you need to do is prep your skin. The idea of dewy skin is having fresh, healthy, plump and hydrated skin. I'm taking the Lakme Absolute Skin Gloss and I'm going to hydrate my dry skin. So I'm going to evenly, gently massage my skin, and you can already see my skin is feeling so much more hydrated, shiny and dewy. But if you're a dry skin girl like me, this is something you definitely need in your skincare routine. Priming your face is extremely important. A primer is essential for your base makeup to last longer, for it to stay flawless. It also hides away blemishes, acne scars, marks. Try to find primers that have really rich, nourishing ingredients which will help you achieve a more flawless, hydrating and dewy base. When it comes to foundation, I personally believe try finding something that's really close to your skin tone. When you want to achieve a specific look like a dewy skin or a glass skin look, you don't want a foundation that has a cakey formulation or a formulation that sticks to your imperfections and your blemishes and your acne scars, and it's really flaky, and you don't want that. Today I'm going to show you my glass skin look with the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation. It is my newest favorite. It's extremely lightweight. It has so many hydrating qualities which will keep your skin intact, which will make it look nourished all throughout the day. And if you want to achieve that date night glow, this is the foundation you need. If you are looking to use the right tools, I suggest a beauty blender. A damp beauty blender would be it. If you're more comfortable with brushes, try using something which is a little more fluffy and it can help you give an even look all over your face. More like an airbrush look. Now, as far as concealers go, I would suggest for dry skin people, it's very important to stick to either cream or liquid or in between cream liquid consistencies. It will stay on longer and look flawless. When you're choosing a blush, try sticking to formulations which are a little more creamy or liquid again, especially because you're a dry skin person. Second, you're trying to achieve a dewy and flawless glass skin look, so it's very important for you to remember to not have powder formulations on your face. Keep it minimal. Try taking a very subtle color. Feel free to use your brush or your fingertips to create the blush on the face. Now, highlighter is so important while doing a dewy skin look because it can either make or break the look. If you add too much of highlighter, your face can look excessively oily and you'll look like a dewy dumpling, and you don't want to look like that. You want to add the highlighter in the perfect areas where the natural light falls on your face. Now, how can you do that? If you're standing under a tube light, try and walk few steps away from it to see where the highlighter comes and sits on your face naturally. I'm going to take some argan oil, take a small dew, add it on my hand so I don't end up taking too much. Take excess off. Try and slide my hands alongside my cheeks. If you add too much, it will really look oily, so all you need to do is tap 2 fingers on your nose so you see that shine. Take a little bit extra and go along tapping on your cheeks to highlight the cheekbones and to kind of lift the face up. A little bit on the forehead in the center of the face, a little bit near the brows because that's where the natural highlight falls. a little on my chin, and last but not the least, on my cupid's bow. And also, if you're wearing an open top like me and you're stepping out in the open, don't forget to accentuate and to kind of highlight the collarbones. Can you see that glow? Am I ready to step out yet? It's important to not only hydrate your skin but also hydrate your chapped lips. Now, what do I mean by that? Add a lip balm or essential oils. Add it to your nighttime routine to take care of your lips. Last but not the least, to amplify and add a little more drama to this look, I'm going to add a little bit of essential oil on the lids of my eyes. So I have extremely dewy eyes, cheeks, flush look, fresh look. You might be wondering why I did not have any compact or translucent powder or any sort of mattifying product on my face. Firstly, a dry skin person does not need too much powdering. Second, if you are using really luminous silky products, remember all you need to do is cut out the fine lines or puffiness around the eye area. So try using your compact or your translucent powder just in this area, a little bit on the forehead, a little on the nose, on the sides of the nose and around the mouth area. I hope these tips and tricks actually helped you to create the dream dewy look that you've been trying to achieve, and I've enjoyed creating this look for you. If you like this look and enjoyed watching me, leave a comment in the comment section below and let us know what you feel. You know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to Be Beautiful.